push this bitch right now.
Bro, I'm at the car wash and there's fucking dust picking up, bro, and I didn't even, bro, the wind is strong and shit and the car's already all dusty and shit, but I mean, so be it. Today we ended the day up 230, which brings my total for the week to like 880 or something like that. I'm gonna check right now. But besides that, bro, shit, we're up 800 for the week regardless. We still got 2K to go to pass my challenge, which is great, bro. And it's not a bad week. Most of my trades could have been bigger, bro, but like since I'm at work and all this stuff, it's like I don't really have the time to be sitting there and and I'm using my phone, and I could make up all these excuses, but hey, at the end of the day, we ended up the week up 800. That's good. 2K more to go. Shit, we on the right path. Right now I'm about to head home, make some breakfast. Y'all know the usual. Hit a little workout. Today I think they're gonna give me more information about the apartment. I got approved yesterday, so let's see what they tell me today. I submitted everything like at the end of the day, so like they were about to close, so we'll see what they tell me. But I mean, besides that, I ain't got nothing planned. I gotta finish my videos, edit it. I gotta finish one of my courses today. Other than that, we're just gonna have a nice end of the week, and we're gonna keep pushing. Damn, where's my heater on? But yeah, besides that, it's been an amazing week. I'm so blessed. I thank the Lord every day for all these gifts, all these blessings that I have, bro. But we gotta keep pushing. We gotta keep going after it, bro. It only gets better after this. You gotta keep going every day, bro. Because if you don't do it, ain't nobody finna do it. I always stress this. I'm always stressing on this, bro. Like if you don't do it, nobody's gonna do it for you, bro. And y'all could go back and see the progress that I make every day. I stay consistent. Every day I put in the work, bro. It's not just luck, bro. It's like, you got to keep doing this shit, bro. If you stop, your momentum fades away, and like you just keep going back to where you started, But besides that, I'm about to head home, make some breakfast real quick. I had a coffee. Shit, it's been a very good day, so let's keep this pushing. Honestly, yesterday I was sick, but I think right now I'm like in between. Like I think I'm getting a cold. I don't know, but I don't feel bad like yesterday. So I don't know. I think it was just me not sleeping that much. But shit, let's see. Let's see how the day keeps going. I do feel congested, but I mean, I'm always congested, so fuck it. But yeah, I'm about to go hit this workout. Man, I'm excited, I'm happy, but like I said, you can't let your emotions take over, because trading is just a very psychological thing, bro. Like, if you let your emotions take over, bro, a L day could turn into the worst day of your life. It is what it is. Regardless if we win or we lose, it don't matter. We just gotta keep working, keep doing the things that work. The weekend, there's no trading. We're gonna journal our trades, recap on what we could have done better, and then just get ready for next week and just keep going at it, bro. So good morning, everybody. It's day 4 of my challenge. Oh, I didn't even have my mic on. So I didn't have my mic. I hope this is better. But I just really wanted to say, like, it's day 4, and I really want to structure this. I really want to structure this more formal. I want to bring you on my journey of getting funded via Topstep and the challenges that I have endured and will endure in order to make the $3,000 that I need to get funded, to pass my challenge. I really want to walk you guys through a really exciting week of trading futures where I made over $900 in just a span of 3 days, which is something so surreal that like it takes me 40 hours to make a little bit more than that, But one thing that many of us that trade futures, if you trade futures, that it's a very challenging market to navigate, bro. There's a lot of volatility, a lot of risk is involved, if you don't have a proper strategy, if you don't follow your rules, bro, it's not going to be rainbows and sunshines. I'll tell you that. Like, it all comes down to understanding that this market can be tricky, but at the same time, if you have the right concepts, if you have the right mentality, if you are disciplined enough to understand and comprehend risk management, bro, nothing's gonna stop you, bro. It's only gonna be you versus you, you know. And one thing is, like, the futures market moves very quickly, bro. You could lose a lot of money or make a lot of money as well, but it just comes down to, it just comes down to your risk management. If you are good managing the risk, if you know what you're doing, and like understanding that volatility plays a huge role in this market, bro. Like, you could have for example, like me, I usually just trade, I usually just do, it's pretty much fair value gap fills or a false break, right? And it has to be at the exact time where there's more volume, which for me, since I'm in the West Coast, it's 6:30 for London session, and then if you're in the East, I think it's like around 9:30, which that's pretty much a New York session. I only trade New York session. I just use London and Asian, bro, to pretty much just see what the reaction will be for the opening of New York. No, you never know. Like, you pretty much never know what the market's gonna do, bro. For me, all you got is the previous sessions to go with your bias, bro. Like, let's say if London creates a high at 3 a.m. and price has been retracing all the way down to, let's say, New York, pretty much, you know, like, I'll go off what London is giving me, or like, let's say, like, it's almost 6:30 and New York just broke the Asian session high, right? Like, that tells me more and helps me more with my bias, as of like just me going in and just not using that, right? One thing I really want to emphasize on a lot, risk management is crucial, bro, because that minimizes your losses and maximizes your gains. Like, for me, all I do right now, since I'm on my funded challenge, is like, I risk a little bit more. I'll do 3 contracts, but like, I always go for 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s if I'm feeling, you know, kind of risky, you know. But like, risk management is key, bro, because let's say you don't have a stop loss or you don't have a take profit and you just let that shit ride. For me specifically, right, since I'm always at work, I'm always busy, I'd rather have a stop loss and just be safe. And I'm comfortable losing $100. I'm comfortable winning X amount of money, but I'm also comfortable losing X amount of money, you know. Also, when it comes down to risk management, it's not about having your strategy in place. That's one thing that helps a lot, you know. But it all comes down to being disciplined and sticking to your rules, bro. Like, let's say for me, I always go for 1 to 3s. I always go for 2 trades a day maximum. And if I have a break even, I'll allow myself to take a 3rd trade. But you gotta stick to what you're doing, bro. You can't break your rules. You can't let your emotions come in, because at the end of the day, it's honestly, for me, how I see trading now, it's like, it's more of a lifestyle, because trading has turned me into a more disciplined man. It has made me more, handling risk, bro. Like, I just had a session with the VIP trading group that I'm in, and we was talking about managing drawdown, bro. And it's like, if you can't control your emotions, and let's say if you're down $200, $300 and you feel some type of way, like, bro, you gotta understand that you're not comfortable. If you're not comfortable risking more than $100 or more than $200 per trade, you gotta go down into changing your strategy, bro. Like, that's one thing. What I'm trying to say is, like, a lot of traders struggle with the risk management aspect, because it is easy to get emotional about a trade, bro. Don't get me wrong, but if you can't control your emotions, you'll never be able to achieve consistency in your trading, because some people, 99% of the people that get into this industry of trading end up quitting, because they either get emotionally frustrated, or they just can't control their risk management, or they're just not, they don't see the bigger picture, bro. Like, I can get emotional about a trade, like I said on my previous video. Like, I should go check that one out, like the one I made yesterday, where I made $500. It's like, I could have had that win impact my day, but like I didn't change my emotions. I didn't get overly joyful. Yes, I am excited that I made $500, and I'm not excited in the aspect about the money, but I'm more confident in taking trades and taking a little bit more risk, because now I know that my strategy works. I know that I am a little bit more well educated, even though I just have, like, I want to say 4 months into trading. I can walk into a trade, I can walk into the charts and understand what's going on. I can understand what I'm looking at. I can understand why I took the trade, why price moved like that, you know? And it's like, it just comes with time, it comes with practice. But the thing is, you gotta be disciplined, bro. Don't let your emotions get mixed into this game, because emotions can take a big ass toll on your day, bro. Emotions could really fuck up your whole trade. Emotions could really fuck up the way that you see trading, bro. Like, that's one thing. Like, even with life, bro, like, let's say you're not having a good day, but you still got tasks to accomplish, bro. Like, especially for me, like, coming from the anxiety that I had to overcome, bro. Trading has made me a better man, because, like, let's say now if I have a bad day, if something happens that it was out of my control, I don't let that shit dictate the route that my day's gonna take, because I still got goals, I still got plans that I gotta accomplish, that I gotta keep pushing, you know? Like, let's say, like, I have one video too, I think, I don't know what it was, I don't know which episode it was, but my car broke down, bro. My battery just gave out on me. I was at work. I was like on 4 hours of sleep. I really could have let that shit dictate the rest of my day, right? I could have really just been pissed. I could have, because I was at the repair shop for, like, I want to say 2 hours. And then as soon as I got the car fixed, I didn't have no food. I had to go back to work, and I had to finish the day strong, bro. I could have let my emotions take over. I could have let my mind be weak and go back into my old self. And this is why I emphasize a lot, like, trading has changed my life, because the discipline that comes with this, the mind control that you develop, if you control your emotions, there ain't no stopping you, because, like I say every time, it's you versus you. Every time you go into these charts, every time you wake up and you take a decision, it's you versus you. Nobody is telling you to do the things that you are doing. Nobody's gonna come here and tell me to press buy or sell on my trade, right? Especially with life. Like I was saying, nobody's gonna come and tell me to press snooze on my alarm, or nobody's gonna tell me to get up from bed and go to work, bro. It's always you versus you. It's always you against your emotions, because your body's going to want to do the easy things, bro. Like me, when I lost weight and when I did all these changes in my life, my body didn't feel like doing that, bro. I was tired. My body was telling my mind that we were tired, bro. I stayed disciplined. I kept pushing. I said, let's do one more rep. Let's go for another run. Let's push past this mental exhaustion, this mental block that I'm having at the moment. Let's keep pushing to become better, bro. To reach a higher level, to tell myself that I am capable of doing more, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know that my emotions play a huge role in my decisions. When I was the man that I escaped from, the man that I was running away from, which I ended up elevating from that old version of myself, I would always let my emotions dictate what I really was going to do. Like, my next step was dictated by how I felt, bro. And that's one thing that's one thing that I take away from trading, bro, that has really changed me, and that has made me fall in love with this. Like, if me just being here for a couple months, I've changed my whole life around and I've become a better man. Imagine what it could do for somebody else. Maybe you are looking for a way out of work, or you just want to, or you believe that money is going to bring that freedom that you want, which that's what I'm chasing as well, right? You might want to spend more time with family. You might want to save people, you know? And it's like, it's all process. It's all meant to be, because if you, let's say, like this I heard this like analogy, like, you can give $1 million to any regular person, right? And it's like people who win the lottery, bro. Like, some of them lose it all, some of them even lose their lives, right? And it's like, if you are not prepared, if you are not ready, if you're not disciplined, if your mental is not where it has to be, and you get given this $1 million, you're going to blow that shit, bro. You're going to fucking lose it all, lose your mind in the process, because you haven't been through those trials. You haven't lost it all and made it back. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's all a mental game. It's all a matter of controlling your emotions. It's all a matter of being disciplined, bro. Because you could become a millionaire any type of way, but the thing is, in the process of becoming rich, in the process of acquiring this wealth and this knowledge, it's like you have to develop the person that can be able to lose it all and gain it back again. You got to develop the person with the mental toughness that is going to be successful, that is going to understand the losses, that is going to be able to take a huge loss and is going to be able to make a huge profit without changing how they are, how they feel, not letting what the outcome change them as a person. Because there's the thing, rich people follow a routine, bro. Rich people have their routine for success. It's all a matter of being disciplined, doing the same things every single day. Consistency is a huge thing that I speak on, bro, because I understand that consistency has gotten me where I am at, bro. I lost the weight. I beat anxiety because I stayed consistent and I kept working and I stayed disciplined and I kept pushing, bro. That's one thing that I really want you to understand, that trading is not just what you see online, that people are just showing out their money and all this stuff, bro. Yes, it comes with that, bro, but understand that it's bigger than that. You got to build the person that is going to be able to take those losses, to be able to, you're going to build that successful person that is going to be able to withstand everything that comes with it, bro. The biggest takeaway is you got to build yourself before anything. And like, if you want to step into trading and it really interests you, bro, you first got to understand your mental clarity, your discipline, the way you carry yourself is going to play a huge role in this development, bro. Like, at the end of the day, I'm big on self-development, and the thing that really got me into trading was that one of my mentors that I really look up to, he's the same age as me. The thing that I loved about his videos and the thing that I loved about everything that he was doing is that he was being consistent. You could see the results, and I just pretty much took that, bro. Like, to get to the point where you want to be, if you want to lose weight, you want to get big, you got to be consistent every day, eating the good meals, doing all that stuff. Everything applies to life, not just training. It just all applies to life. Consistency, discipline, and controlling your emotions is what you need. Tomorrow's video is going to go over the whole week, how we're going to prepare for next week, the reasoning behind my trades, preparing myself mentally to understand that I did have a winning week. And I also I have my laptop right here. I'm trying to figure out how to have I want to have like a little journal for my trades. I want to have everything on my laptop because I'm pretty much doing everything on my phone and I'm just running out of space and stuff. But so it's the end of the day. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but this cold is kicking my ass, bro. Like, it's literally fucking kicking my ass. But it is what it is. We gotta keep pushing. I ended up finding like an online trading journal. I think it's called Casa Trader or Trader Casa. I don't fucking know. I don't really remember, bro. Like, my head is all over the place. I didn't really want to record content no more because I just literally had some medication after work, and then work was heavy as fuck today. It was very windy. My allergies just, I don't really know. Like I said, I don't know if it's allergies or me just being sleep deprived. It's currently like 11 right now and I'm still up just editing and working, but it is what it is. I just want to say, you gotta keep pushing, you gotta keep fighting. And like, I just had to make an ending to my video, you know. But like I keep saying every day, consistency is key. Tonight, it's already, while I'm recording this, it's already Saturday night. And man, just gotta keep pushing, bro. Like, I am behind on my videos, I am behind on my editing, but as long as I keep pushing it, as long as I don't delay it, and I keep putting in the work, I don't know if y'all can see it in my face, but I'm tired. I'm fucking sick, bro. Like, I feel like shit, bro. But hey, tomorrow's a new day, new opportunity. We get to wake up, we're blessed, and just keep pushing, man. Like, regardless of your situation, regardless of whatever you're going through, trust me, it only gets better. Just put one foot in front of the other. Just keep pushing yourself, bro. If you fear failure, if you feel like you're not gonna accomplish anything, you gotta change that part of you, bro. You gotta develop newer habits. You gotta give yourself positive affirmations, because if you keep telling yourself that you're tired, that you're nothing good, your subconscious is always listening, bro. I don't want to, like, I don't know how many times I stressed this. Your subconscious is always listening, because when I was fat, when I had anxiety, I would always tell myself, I need to eat and I need to sleep. That was the two things ingrained in my mind. And my subconscious was always listening. Whenever I had a little problem, oh, food was my comfort, and the bed was my comfort too. Like, those were my safe places, right? But nah, bro, you gotta keep pushing past that mental barrier, that mental block that is keeping you where you're at. You gotta elevate, bro. But other than that, I just hit them push-ups. I'm still tired. I ain't finna do abs tonight. But shit, tomorrow's a new day. We gotta keep pushing, make new content, and keep going, man. Have a blessed night.